Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nani Anyong. I am from Zero, Arunachal Pradesh, currently pursuing my MBA at FMS Delhi, majoring in marketing strategy and HR. I joined G Studios India in December 2024, and it was a 3 month stint. It was amazing. Let me just tell you that. I started working as a marketing intern, but I did get a lot of chance to tap into other avenues as well. The team, they were super collaborative, high energy, and always up to learning together. I got to learn a lot from my peers as well, which was amazing. And let's not even forget, there will be Saturday meeting on every weekend, which was my highlight of the week, because that's the time where you don't have to really worry about the work, but more about bonding and really, setting the culture for the organization as well. I have worked on live projects before as well, but my experience in G Studio India would in particularly be so much more special to me, because this is very different than your regular live project. It is a lot more structured, a lot more engaging, and you actually get to make impact. Like, you're working on real projects, you're not just doing back-ended research, you can actually work in front end as well. I joined as a marketing intern, like I said, but I got to explore website designing, there were strategies, and so much more. In fact, Gaurav gives you creative freedom. They let you choose the skill that you want to develop as well. So you're not really working for. I mean, yes, you are contributing to the organizational goals as well, but you can actually look into your personal growth as well. My advice will be, don't be afraid to communicate any of your interests and limitation. The team is super accommodating, so if there's anything that you want to tell, like, I had my dissertation, I had my placements coming up, so they did give me some leave there as well. So if there's something that you want to learn, make sure that you speak up, and they will make it happen. If you're considering to join G Studios India, I'm so excited for you, because I know that you're gonna have fun. My tenure is over, but I know that you're gonna have fun. So bye bye, that's from me.
Hi everyone, my name is Akansha Pathak. I am from IIM Rohtak. I loved working at G Studios India, and I worked as a content writing intern. And I'll keep this short and simple. I have three main takeaways from my entire internship. The first is that any work that you do in G Studios India is going to be worth your time. They are never going to give you tasks that are meant to just add tasks to your to do list. They are going to give you tasks that actually hold value and that are actually going to add something to the final output that you're trying to create via the work that you're doing. So, any kind of task that you get, you're going to be able to see a return on the task that you're doing. Say, for example, I was trying to create a website landing page, right? I knew that somewhere down the future, this is going to be a tangible output that I am going to be seeing out there in the world, and I'm going to be calling it mine. So, what I'm trying to say is that a lot of internships and life projects have this thing within themselves where they have a lot of tasks, and half of the tasks don't really add up to a certain value. But that is where G Studios India set itself apart for me, where everything that I was doing, I knew that, oh, this has a very significant value to the company, to its growth in the future, and also to my growth in the future. So that is one thing I loved about G Studios. The second is the kind of autonomy, the kind of ownership, and the kind of flexibility that you get in G Studios India is not something that most companies hold. May it be a startup or may it be a conglomerate. Uh, the amount of autonomy and ownership that I had with my work, I was treated as a proper employee within G Studios India. And any new ideas that I had, any opinions that I had, they were taken very seriously. And I was made to feel safe and comfortable enough to be able to share those ideas, opinions, suggestions, right? And I don't think that actually happens in a lot of companies. So that is another amazing thing about G Studios India. And I think you should really utilize that with your time here at G Studios. If you have anything of value to add to the company, and if you think that it's going to make a difference, and you have a logical reason that actually backs that idea up, you can go ahead and state it, and it will be taken into consideration, and it will be applied if the reason is good enough, right? So, being able to see the changes made within the company or made within any project that you're working on, in real lifetime, updations. That's an amazing feeling to have. Like you are really seeing the return on investment on any of the time that you have spent working on any project within G Studios India. And the third is, they really take into account about the kind of skills that you as a person want to learn, not as a team, as a whole. Like, I think every person in any team across any company in the world, everyone has a different goal for which they are in that company, right? Some people want to learn soft skills, some people want to learn technical skills, some people want to become better speakers. Everyone has a different end goal. So the thing is, if you state those end goals very clearly to the people who are going to be managing you, they are going to ensure that you are being given tasks or you're being given something additional which will actually facilitate the learning of those kind of skills. For me, it was very specific related to technical skills. I wanted to learn technical skills. I wanted to become better in anything that was technical in which I did not have a forte of my own in the past. Soft skills was not my focus. And the thing is, of course, I learned a lot more soft skills than I already possessed at the time of joining. But by the end of it, I had so many more technical skills. I was so much more aware of a lot of things that I hadn't known previously. And this is something that I loved about G Studios, that anything that I wanted to learn, I could learn and I could ask for it and it would be made available to me. And I think that is actually something that internships don't have, because they are paying you to work, right? But here you are asking for stuff, for things that you believe will lead to your growth in the future. And I think that kind of ownership, um, that kind of responsibility, that kind of the way people listen to you here is very different. So all of that I don't think is available in other internships or live projects, and that is why I loved working in G Studios. And any time in the future that I can work in G Studios, I will definitely make a comeback. So if a company can get you to say this, that you would, be able to work with that company, if you were given a chance to work with that company again, you would actually do it. I think that company has done really well with its interns, employees, whoever is working with them. So, yeah, you're going to have an amazing time. Make the best out of it. Ask questions, ask for resources, because they are there. And if they aren't, they will be made available to you. So, ask for resources, ask questions, give suggestions, give new ideas, grow as a person within G Studios, because that is when you're going to make a real impact out of how much of a time you're spending in this internship or project. So, all the best, guys. I hope you have a lot of fun the way I had a lot of fun in G Studios. And I really hope this is how you feel at the end of the internship. Yeah, so all the best. I hope you do well.
Hello everyone, I am Foram Shah and I completed my live project with G Studios India. It was for 2 months and I was hired as the content writer. My experience with the GSI community has been fabulous over the past 2 months. I really like the focus on learning. So whatever work I was given an opportunity to take some learnings from it, whether it was regarding video editing or editing blogs, delving into AI tools. So I really loved that. Uh, Interacting with the founder Gaurav sir has always been a pleasure. He feels more like a mentor rather than your manager. He will guide you through a lot of things. He will teach you things from very basic if you don't know any AI tool, or if you want to learn something about computer software. So he's a go-to person for that, and he's very open. Even if you make a mistake, you know, he will politely point it out to you. He will ensure that you're comfortable, and he will also teach you that how you should not repeat it in the future. He will convey his vision very well throughout his conversations. And the best part of my journey was the Saturday meetings where I got to know the entire team. We used to have fun activities together. We used to play games, and sometimes when it was very hectic, we used to just gather and we used to just chat with each other, knowing what is going on in their lives, finding some common hobbies, common topics for discussion. So it was a good opportunity to bond with the team. So, on the overall, I feel that it's a wonderful place to work with. It has one of the excellent work cultures. It is focused on innovation as a startup, and it's very open to making you feel like feel valued. So, whatever suggestions you would have, it will be incorporated in some way or the other. Uh, Gaurav sir is very open to feedback. He will keep asking you whether how things are going at your end, and he's very compassionate that way. So I think it was a wonderful journey, and I hope the future interns also enjoy working with GSI. I would personally look forward to engaging with GSI in any way possible in the future as well.
Hi team, I am Pankuri Dikshit and I was a marketing intern here at G Studios India for about 5 months. Firstly, welcome to the team, welcome to the family, and I'm very sure you'll have an amazing time here and you'll get to learn a lot. Now I understand that when you step into an internship, you have the expectation that you're going to learn a lot of hard skills and something which you'll be able to apply in your career later on. But one thing that I can tell you for sure that I've gained from this internship is not only hard skills, but I've also learned soft skills. Now, again, as I was a marketing intern, I think the term is pretty self-explanatory as to what an intern in marketing might do. And I got to explore topics such as blog writing, content writing, SEO optimization, website designing, LinkedIn marketing, social media marketing, etc. So on and so forth. Now, one thing that really defines how your experience here at G Studios is going to be your ability to learn and your interest in exploring new topics, because there is this very trademark thing that Sir does is he gives you liberty to explore anything that you want to within the company, as long as it helps with the company as well, obviously. Now, since I wanted to explore a lot of these things, I wanted to learn emails, I wanted to learn this, I wanted to collaborate with colleges, so Sir gave me the avenues and the resources to actually learn and work on them. So one very big advice that I'll leave you with is be inquisitive and be eager to learn. Take up as many projects as you can in the duration that you have with us, because it will eventually help you a lot, and in the way of it you'll also help the company. Now, coming to what again a marketing intern does, like I mentioned already, the things that I used to do. So I think my favorite part about the whole thing is I loved content writing, because I told Sir that I kind of like to write, and he gave me this avenue that content writing is something that you can explore, which will help you professionally as well as cater to your creative side. And I really enjoyed the work. Other than that, my other favorite work would have been, I think, making reports. As in, like when we wanted to step into LinkedIn marketing, I was not very aware about how the algorithm works, what kind of content work, the length of the posts that have to go, so on and so forth. So I had to go through a thorough research for it. And I think the part where I had to do research is really intrigued my this thing. So that was something that I really enjoyed, and I hope by the end of it you have some warm memories to remember. And again, like I understand for a lot of you this is going to be a remote internship. Now I know it sounds like it's very easy and it's very chill, which it is, because as a student it's very beneficial for you to manage your college and your internship at the same time. But at the same time, try to make the most out of it, because you are going to work with people from different backgrounds, from different colleges, from different age groups. So the more you're able to actually interact with these people, the more you're going to learn both your hard skills and your soft skills. Now, skills such as team building and all, I know it sounds that it's very difficult to adapt in a remote style of working, but it is actually achievable. You just need to interact, you just need to communicate. My personal time management and communication skills have improved by a lot in the course of the G Studios India internship, because I was here for 5 months and I was here with students from commerce background, from arts background, science background. I came from the MBA background, so it was a new even for me. But despite being remote, I have developed quite a few quite good bonds with all the people that I've worked with, and I'm hoping you get to do the same by the time your internship ends. And yeah, that's about it. That's about how G Studios has been for me. It has been mighty kind, and I'll always cherish the place, I'll cherish the company, I'll cherish the people and the work that I've learned from here. And I hope you guys get to do the same, and all the very best. Welcome to the team.
Hi everyone, what's up? So I am just about to wrap up my life project with G Studios India, and I must say that it was an amazing experience. Let's say it was, a mix of fun, a lot of fun actually, a lot of learnings, a lot of, crazy creative vibe. What you can, relate to the content creation part, being the creators. So yeah, I honestly cannot wait to share my experience with you. So, starting with my role, as it was social media and content creation, in the initial few weeks, I was given this task of conducting a thorough market research, which I did. And I honestly enjoyed it so much because there's so much to learn from every other website and every other, you know, competitor analysis and everything, which actually it broadened my perspective. One thing I absolutely love about G Studios India is uh, their vibe, which they give, the culture, and the environment, of course. So it's super chill. There's no pressure, not at all boring. It's just that you need to experiment a lot of things, you need to try new stuff out, and you are actually being heard for the things you are trying out as a total newbie. Everyone is so fun to work with that it never actually felt like I was doing an internship. It was rather, let's say, I was being a part of some creative squad, which we are on a mission to do something great and very creative. So, yeah, on that part, I would rate 100 on 10 to G Studios India. That also leads to Saturday bonding sessions, which are perfect break from work, let's say, because these sessions are held on every Saturday, and you get to know your team better, how everyone works together, how your team works together. Although I missed quite a few actually, but it's okay. Life happens, right? There are other commitments, there are other workloads, and there are a lot of things. So it's okay. But I really missed the great bonding sessions. I would absolutely give 10 on 10 to them. All in one, I would say this life project is an incredible opportunity, and a huge shout out I would love to give to G Studios India, as well as a massive thank you to the founder Gaurav, because he made a very beautiful environment, and he built such a welcoming space for all of us to learn and to grow and to be productive, as well as to be ourselves. So yeah, thank you so much. And I believe, team, that it's your vision that truly makes this play special. So keep growing, keep learning, and all the best to the team. Thank you. This is Kratika Dhruvkar signing off.
Hi everyone, my name is Republica Pai. I'm the social media manager of G Studios India. I have been working with the company from 2023, and it's almost been a 3 year journey of mine. I first started as a digital marketing intern, then I proceed to be the graphic designer, and now I'm the social media manager. What should I say? My journey has been chaotic and fun, and at the same time, it was full of learning. When I joined, I had no idea what Canva was, but at this point, I can't call myself expert, but I kind of am. While learning Canva and doing designs for G Studios India, I have explored different type of tools. Those just some corporate stuff. Let's just ignore that. And let me tell you about G Studios India, the fun part. So we used to have this tradition where we throw farewell for every interns whenever their tenure are up. And we used to have this thing called party pooper. So, and everyone's farewell, we have to pop the pooper. But the fun part is you have to make a mess of it. You can't pop it in front of, on top of a blanket or anything. The fun part is that whenever you pop it, it's loud and it's messy and it's fun. Another tradition we used to have is Saturday Fun Meet and G Studios India's famous tradition game, Scribble. Every year, every batch has a Scribble king, a queen. It was so fun. Every Saturday we used to meet and have like play games, share gossips, and it was a lot of fun. When I was in my intern year, most of my interns were like from my same college, so it was more fun for us since yeah, we used to gossip the same thing back like in college and then in Saturday meet. So yeah, my journey with G Studios India has been fun, and I hope that your journey is fun as well. So that's it. That's my introduction. Bye bye.
Hello everyone and whoever watching this video. I am Piyush, the most naive and youngest part of G Studios India, and I'm here to share my experiences. I joined G Studios India in April 2024 as a naive who didn't even know to record his videos like I'm doing right now. Since then, things have changed drastically for me. I have become more aware of the professional working environment and liabilities. Everybody in G Studios India has helped me to sail through the ocean of my naivety, especially Shashank and Gaurav sir, who have not ignored but acknowledged my faults to help me better. Yes, I have witnessed times since April when my inner voice tried to convince me to leave this internship for it being too hectic sometimes. Yes, there have been days in which I couldn't think of anything but work. But yes, there was growth. I wanted to learn, and G Studios India has given me the opportunity to do so. I cannot do anything but thank G Studios India and the cohort I'm part of. Thanks a lot for making me better.
Hello team, I'm Gia, HR intern at G Studios India. First of all, a very big welcome to the team, a very big welcome to the family. I'm sure you're about to embark on an exciting journey which is going to be filled with valuable experiences and learnings. So, like many of you, I also joined with this expectation in my mind that I'm going to get the opportunity to grow both personally and professionally. And trust me when I say this, G Studios India exceeded my expectations. Not only did I get a chance to enhance my hard skill set, but also my soft skills, especially my communication. So, my best advice to you will be eager to learn, show your enthusiasm, and make the most of this opportunity, because I know by the end of this internship you will have some great memories to cherish, because you're going to meet people not only from different background but also from different age groups. But what will matter at the end of the day is you're all going to feel like a strong supportive team, just like a family feels when they are all together. So wishing you all the best for your journey ahead.
Hello, new interns. Welcome to G Studios India's family. We are really excited to meet you. So, hi, my name is Prakriti and I'm from Gargi College, pursuing BCom program from there. And my role in G Studios India is particularly about social media and content creation. So, I'm the social media and content creation intern at G Studios. And it revolves around creating content for Instagram and LinkedIn. So, yes, my journey so far has been like a roller coaster ride because I've tried multiple things, including offline visits at the workshop, and it was like a very wonderful experience. One thing I'd suggest you to be just yourself and to be open to learn as many things as possible. Just come here with open mind that okay, I can learn many things regardless of my role. So like if you are content creation or maybe social media intern, just be open to other possibilities as well, because this platform, this organization will give you such edge that you can try as many things as possible and you can grow as much as you want to. It is like for me, I have learned so many things and I'm so grateful for that. And currently I'm in my like fourth month of this internship, and yes, it's been a wonderful journey with G Studios and Gaurav sir. It was amazing, and I hope you will have an amazing time here too. And very excited to meet you all.
Hello, interns. Welcome to the team. I hope you're excited. I'm excited as well to share my experience with you all of what it's been like working in G Studios India. And in short, the one thing that I'm going to tell you to keep in mind is there is no limit to how much you can learn in this internship. So just ask for it and you're gonna get it. I've been working as a graphic design intern, and in the beginning there were so many things that I did not know, so many basic things that I did not know, and I was just provided with training lectures for it, no questions asked, whether it be alignment or color grading. And at the same time, I've had such meaningful conversations with Gaurav. I was facing like a creative block. I was not able to think of new templates or font styles, and he provided me with meaningful solutions. And he's also given me so many hacks, tips, and tricks, which I would always cherish. And at the same time, conversations outside of the internship, any problem you're facing in life, anything you're starting out with in life, you can always take advice from Gaurav about it, and I really do appreciate that. We have our fun Saturday meets, which is where I got to know about most of my teammates from, and all of us play games. And sometimes it's just fun games. Sometimes it's very meaningful quizzes, or we ask questions to each other, and I feel like that helps so much to release all the stress of the week. Your mental health and your physical health is always going to be prioritized in this internship. Whenever I felt unwell, whenever I've had a bad day and I'm not able to perform in my internship, I just have to convey that to my manager and or Gaurav, and they will take care of it. They will make sure that you are at your most productive, and at the same time, it has never messed up with my college timings. Everything happened to my convenience, and I'm so grateful to G Studios India for doing that. My highlight memory from this internship is a very recent thing that happened. I have always been wanting to attend an offline workshop, and I told Gaurav about it. And when the time was right, he provided me with an opportunity. I got to go to a different college, and I managed a lot of things in that event, and it was so amazing. I got to learn so much. I got to see how things function in a collaboration between a company and a college. And at the same time, we've been doing a lot of things outside of our domain, whether it be the peer outreach task where the entire team together contributed to the work, and I learned how to find contacts, how to reach out to people on different positions in societies of colleges, and the perfect way to communicate, that it's not too rude or it's not too sweet. And yes, all of these experiences, I've learned so much from it, and I will always cherish these memories. So in the end, just work hard. Always ask for whatever you want to learn. They will provide you with everything. Give your 100%. Be dedicated. You're gonna be appreciated for all the good things that you do. You will get merit points, and it's very, very encouraging. But at the same time, make sure to not be irregular or irresponsible with your work, because there's also demerit points, which at first I used to hate it, but now I feel like it keeps me in check. It keeps me motivated to not to take my work seriously. So all the best, and I hope you have an amazing experience just like mine.
Hello everyone, my name is Dakshita Chauhan. I had the greatest opportunity of working with G Studios India, first as a graphic design intern for 5 months. And then I got lucky because I'm still continuing as a graphic design freelancer with G Studios India. So my journey with G Studios India has been incredible, has been a roller coaster for sure. So when I joined G Studios India, I thought that I'll be sticking to my domain, that is graphic designing only. But sooner than later, I realized that I was getting so many opportunities to learn in various multiple fields. I learned so much about my domain, that is graphic design. Other than that, the PR work, everything, the HR related work, I got to learn about so many things. The journey has been so much fun, so much I've learned from the journey, from the team. Especially Gaurav sir, he's been like a mentor to me, whether it was about the work or the career or about studies, from anything to everything. Gaurav sir has been a true mentor to me, for which I'm so thankful. So in a nutshell, I must say that I really hit the jackpot, because this was my first internship, and I just got lucky. And the most favorite part for me was the Fun Friday meets, where we used to play so many games. We got to know about each other, we bonded. So, like, after the meetings, we used to, our faces were so much tired from laughing. So, that was such a great time. And I wish that I continue working with G Studios. It's been amazing, guys. All the best. Bye bye.
My name is Shriyank. I joined G Studios India as a PR intern और आज 2 महीने हो चुके हैं लगभग and I've done sales so far and now I'm into content writing. So I'm here to tell you about my experience. G Studios India में एक demerit points का system है. Let's start with that. So पहले जब ये खबर मिली थी कि यहाँ पे demerit points मिलते हैं और शायद 3 के अंडर है तो आपको rewards मिलते हैं and stuff like that. So I was very happy कि ये रिवॉर्ड तो सारे मेरे होंगे अब. इस महीने में मेरे को ऑलरेडी 3 मिल चुके हैं एंड इट इज वेरी सैड क्योंकि जिस वजह से मिले हैं वो वजह काफी छोटे हैं क्योंकि एक्चुअली आई मिस डेडलाइंस. तो रात में अगर आपका मीटिंग नहीं होता तो आपको वॉइस नोट में अपना वर्क रिपोर्ट भेजना पड़ता है एंड आई मिस्ड दैट. इमेजिन. तो मेरे लिए बहुत ज्यादा दुख था इस बात पर कि यार इस छोटी चीज के लिए मिल गया डीमेरिट पॉइंट. कोई बड़ा टारगेट नहीं अचीव करते या फिर कुछ कोई बड़ा कांड करते तो मिलता तो फिर ठीक रहता पर नहीं. सो यहाँ पे लर्निंग है और वो लर्निंग मेनली बताना चाहता है. थिंग इज कि हम लोग जो भी काम करते हैं यहाँ पे हम लोग बहुत मन लगा के काम करते हैं. वी डेडिकेट आवर्स टू आवर वर्क रिसर्च एंड आइडिएशन things like that, but there is a decorum and discipline of this company that we all must adhere to. तो ये वर्क रिपोर्ट टाइम पर भेजना या फिर मीटिंग से अगर मीटिंग मिस करना है तो उसको इन्फॉर्म करना, ये सारी चीजें हैं जो डिसिप्लिन के अंडर आती है. नो मैटर आप कितना भी अच्छा काम करिए, अगर आप डिसिप्लिन तोड़ते हैं तो आपको डीमेरिट पॉइंट्स मिलते हैं एंड इससे कोई बचा नहीं है. सो इसके बाद इस चैलेंज को ओवरकम करने के लिए व्हाट आई डिड, आई स्टार्टेड पुटिंग अलार्म्स. वो मेरे को हर आधे घंटे में डेडलाइन खत्म होने के पहले तक में मेरे को इन्फॉर्म करता रहता है कि वर्क रिपोर्ट देना, वर्क रिपोर्ट देना, वर्क रिपोर्ट देना. और सिंपल, इट्स जस्ट अ वॉइस नोट, तो आप कर देते हैं. तो अब क्या है कि अब इन चीज़ों को लेके थोड़ा सा हम और ज़्यादा सतर्क हो चुके हैं कि भाई अब ऐसे डेडलाइंस को मिस नहीं करना है. यू हैव टू वर्क एंड यू हैव टू कीप दीज थिंग्स इन माइंड एज वेल. ये एक बहुत फनी इंसिडेंट था एक्चुअली. ये थोड़ा सा दुख है लेकिन ये ज़्यादा फनी है क्योंकि अब तक जितना काम किया मैंने अपने तरफ से बहुत ऑनेस्टली काम किया है और काफ़ी मज़ेदार रहा है मेरा एक्सपीरियंस इन सारी चीज़ों के लिए. और देर आर वेरी लिटिल थिंग्स जो कंपनी आपका बहुत ध्यान रखती है और ये मेरे एक्सपेक्टेशंस के बियॉन्ड था. सो शाम को एवरी इवनिंग आई गो आउट टू प्ले बैडमिंटन. और ये बात सर को पता है, ये बात जो अभी HR है उनको भी पता है. तो अब ये लोग क्या करते हैं कि लोग जब भी डेली मीटिंग्स रखते हैं ये लोग ध्यान रखते हैं कि मेरे वो गेम के टाइम पर ना आए ताकि हम जल्दी फ्री हो जाए और फिर हम खेलने जा पाए. तो ये वैसे तो बहुत छोटी सी बात लगती है लेकिन ये सारी छोटी चीज़ें बहुत वैल्यू करती हैं क्योंकि इससे आपको पता चलता है कि कंपनी अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ का कैसे ध्यान रख रहा है, कैसे उनकी नीड्स का ख्याल रख रहा है. इसके अलावा लाइक आई सेड, आई स्टार्टेड एज अ PR intern, देन आई स्विच टू सेल्स एंड नाउ आई एम इनटू कंटेंट राइटिंग. सो माय क्यूरियोसिटी लेड मी टू experience all this, to explore all this. तो इसका भी सिस्टम बहुत आसान है. When you join as you take a role, you work on it, you research about the company and you do some initial trainings as well. इसके बाद you are asked कि आपको किस रोल में जाना है, क्या एक्सपेरिमेंट करना चाहते हैं आप और आप क्यों सूट करते हैं उस रोल में. Then you do your research, अपने बारे में आप बताइए, अपने आप को एक्सप्लोर करिए और फिर डिसाइड करिए किस रोल में जाना है. जब आप उस रोल में कुछ टाइम काम कर लेते तो आपसे दोबारा पूछा जाएगा कि अब कौन सा आपको एक्सप्लोर करना है. सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे जी स्टूडियोज इन इंडिया जो भी कुछ प्रोवाइड कर सकती है अपने एम्प्लॉयज को वो सब कुछ प्रोवाइड करती है. और लाइक आई सेड, मेरी क्यूरियोसिटी मेरे को बहुत जगह दौड़ाई, बहुत हर एक डोमेन को एक्सप्लोर करने पे हेल्प की. तो कंपनी क्या है कि वीडियो एडिटिंग और कैनवा इन सारी चीज़ों पे भी कोर्सेज देती है. सो वीडियो एडिटिंग मेरे को सीखना था कि भाई कैसे करते हैं क्योंकि आई एम वेरी बैड एट इट. वेरी बैड मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा बैड. अगर टेम्पलेट बनाने वाले अगर वो चीज़ें हट जाएं तो शायद हम सोशल मीडिया में कुछ डालना भी छोड़ दें। तो हमें ट्रेनिंग सेशंस दिए गए जिसमें वीडियो एडिटिंग सिखाया गया हमें। देन आई वांटेड टू लर्न पोर्टफोलियो वेबसाइट, तो सर से रिक्वेस्ट किया कि अगर ये हो सकता है तो उसको प्लीज अरेंज कर दीजिए। देन वी हैड अ डेडिकेटेड सेशन फॉर दैट। सो यहाँ पे एज एन इंटर्न जब आप आते हैं तो आपको टीवी में मतलब मूवीज में सीरीज में ऐसा दिखाया जाता है कि भाई इंटर्न्स को तो एकदम टॉर्चर किया जाता है। यहाँ पे इंटर्न्स को जगाया जाएगा कि उठो, काम करो और सीखो, एक्सप्लोर करो अलग अलग डोमेन को, और किस चीज को एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते हो ये बताओ। डिस्कस करो सर के साथ, एचआर के साथ, जो भी अवेलेबल मिलता है, जो भी डिसीजन ले सकता है या फिर आपकी बातों को आगे बढ़ा सकता है, उनसे बातें करो, समझो चीज़ों को और एक्सप्लोर करो। तो यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है, बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है। अभी 2 महीने और है, अभी इंटर्नशिप खत्म हुआ, अभी लाइव प्रोजेक्ट हम लोग का शुरू होगा। और अभी कंटेंट राइटिंग में इट इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, क्योंकि कंटेंट राइटिंग के बहाने व्हाट आई डू, तो ये वैसे थोड़ा सा ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड वाली बातें हैं, पर ठीक है। सो व्हाट आई डू, हम सर से पूछते हैं कि सर जैसे कोई टॉपिक हो गया, मान लो कि जो मेरे टेन्योर के पहले कोई एक्टिविटी हुआ है जिसके बारे में मेरे को लिखना है, तो आई वॉजंट देयर, तो मेरे को कैसे पता होगा। तो इससे हम सर से कहानी सुनते हैं कि सर इस एक्टिविटी के टाइम पे सर क्या हुआ था, क्या क्या चैलेंजेस फेस किए थे। तो ना एक से एक मजेदार मजेदार आपको कहानियां मिलती है कंपनी के बारे में। और ये वैसे तो ऑफिशियल प्रोफेशनल मीटिंग के टाइम पे होता है, लेकिन ये फन मीटिंग में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है क्योंकि कहानियां बड़ी मजेदार मिलती हैं। तो आप एक्सप्लोर करते रहिए। अगर आपको सेल्स कर रहे हैं आप और आपको कॉलिंग में तकलीफ हो रही है, तो हमारे टाइम पे क्या हुआ था कि सर हमारे साथ बैठते थे कॉल में, मतलब जूम पे हम लोग स्क्रीन शेयर, मतलब हम लोग बैठते थे और हम लोग स्पीकर पे कॉल करते थे, और फिर सर फीडबैक देते थे या फिर अगर कुछ सजेशन होता था तो सर देते थे। तो हम लोग सब लोग साथ में कॉल्स करते थे। मेरे साथ एक और इंटर्न था, वो भी सेल्स कर रहा था, तो हम दोनों बैठ के कॉल करते थे, सर अपना काम करते थे। तो ये ऑफिस वाला फील लेना कि मतलब हम लोग साथ में बैठ के काम कर रहे हैं। फिर कंटेंट राइटिंग में स्टोरी सुनना। तो देर इज वन थिंग जो अगर सम अप करना हो मेरे को अपने एक्सपीरियंस को, तो हम ये बोलेंगे कि आई एम हैविंग फन। फन इज द वर्ड, क्योंकि फन है, लर्निंग है, सब कुछ परफेक्टली बैलेंस चल रहा है, मजेदार चल रहा है। सो विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट यहाँ पे जो भी आएंगे आप लोग। और आपको जब भी मौका मिले, जो भी करना आप चाहें, आप बिल्कुल बेझिझक कम्युनिकेट करिएगा सर से और एक्सप्लोर करते रहिए। एंड डोंट जस्ट बी हियर फॉर सर्टिफिकेट, ओन दिस कंपनी। ये हम लोगों को स्टार्टिंग में, इनफैक्ट इंटरव्यू के टाइम पे, रिक्रूटमेंट के टाइम पे सर ने बोला था कि इफ यू ओन दिस कंपनी देन यू आर अ परफेक्ट फिट। सो उस तरीके से काम करिए, कंपनी को अपना बनाए काम करिए, एंड हैव फन। ऑल द बेस्ट।
So, hello G Studios team. This is Sudiksha Srivastava, the HR intern at G Studios, and here I am to share my experience with you. First of all, I would like to thank G Studios and Mr. Gaurav Singla, my mentor, my guide, my elder brother, and whatnot. So yeah, a big thank you for this opportunity and trusting me. There were some mistakes, but I hope you won't mind it. Starting with my experience, so my experience at G Studios is amazing, and it has been enriching throughout. It gave me practical knowledge and exposure to the professional HR world. And also I did various HR activities like onboarding, offboarding, so the orientation meets, the feedback meetings, the farewell meetings, etc. was done by me. So it was really a very enriching experience, a very wholesome experience. And also G Studio provides you with so many things to explore within yourself, within the profession. And G Studios made me realize that professionalism or professional work culture is not about burden, deadlines, etc., but it's about fun with deadlines, obviously, with work, everything. But there were at times that we felt that it is so burdened, but then sir came with some amazing ideas to relieve us. So it's like that if a founder itself is involved in every single or every small activities which is
done by the interns, it gives us also the privilege, and it gives us also encouragement and motivation to work harder and harder, and to grab every appreciation which we can. So yeah, it was a really nice experience. And also here everybody is engaged in the fun meetings, the fun Friday meetings, and which is the best experience I have ever had in any of the internships, because I'll tell you that no other internship provides such a great culture and such a great interaction between its interns, like the way G Studios has provided us. And there are games, there is fun, there is everything, there is chit chat also. So it's always amazing to have such a great team around. Also, through my internship, I have learned how to manage my professional life as well as my personal life. Also, as I am a regular college student, so how to manage my studies as well. Then I have gained a lot of experience in time management, in professionally how to manage things, professionally how to communicate with people, because G Studios uh, is a platform where we learn a proper professional culture. So it's not about any other internship which is just for the sake of internship we are doing. It provides us a proper experience of a professional setup, like the punch in or the login period, the logout period, maintaining the database, then maintaining a doc file, etc, etc. Every work is seen, every work is marked, and every work is appreciated by none other than Gaurav Singla sir. So it encourages us, motivates us to become better selves of our. And also it brings many learnings also. So in every negative comment, not I will say negative, but in every comment which is made by sir, has an impact on a person itself. So we are always moving towards a direction that we need to improve this, we need to improve that, we need to make sure realize that we have potential and you have chosen a right candidate. So that kind of thing. um, Overall, my experience and my journey at G Studios has been tremendous. I have improved my communication skills, I have improved my writing skills, I have improved time management. Also, I wasn't a very tech savvy person, but Sir has taught various tools and techniques. There are workshops also in between where you will learn about about different tools and techniques, be it sheets, be it how to use a doc file, or how to fill in the work database, etc. So each and everything is imparted and taught in a way that you don't miss anything, and you are on track always. One of the thing which I again liked very much is the clarity which is needed by the management here. So clarity, every little thing should be clear and should be precise, so that there is no hurdle in understanding. Even if my task is done by somebody else someday, so then there is no problem. So everything is maintained in such a way that it is even I, when look back to my work, I cannot believe that this is done by me. Trust me. So it has innovated things in such a way that has changed and shaped me professionally. Also, I have gained a deeper learning in HR fields, and I have done a really great research here. So now I know that how a research is to be done, how a research is to be conducted. So it has given me not just one, instead it has given me many experiences and many skills. Then again, if I talk about the leadership skills, so here I was conducting the HR meeting, which gave me a privilege to talk to people, to know them personally and to build a connection with the team. So that is the thing I like the most, and I was given this opportunity, and I'm very thankful. Along with this, I learned the Canva skills. So my Canva, before that I haven't worked with Canva, but I learned various tools and various techniques and skills, what is done by in Canva and how it is to be done. And there were training videos always provided to us, so that we can see, and we know that how we will have to do. So as I told you, that if we are doing something new, every little thing is provided, and every little knowledge is given to us. Then I also worked on various projects of research, as I told you, of HR and also content. So I have improved my many skills. So I'm really, really thankful. The thing which is named as survival tip. So the one survival tip which I want to give you is that communicate each and everything. Like, communication is the key to success at G Studios, and this should be your mantra. Also, your time management. Like, if there is a meeting at 6:20, so 6:20 means 6:20. It can't be 6:21. So communication should be very clear, not very always very professional, but it should be in a very professional, polite tone. Also, each and every little detail which you think that it might not be that good, or it might not be that useful, but then also communicate it, because when it will be communicated, then your burden will be really, really less.
Hi guys, my name is Arman, and I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's degree of geography from Dayal Singh College. I'm making this video for you in order to let you know the wonderful experience I've had throughout my internships in G Studios India. And my college days are about to end in the next 2-3 months, and I'm so glad that I could do an internship officially, and I'm so happy to tell you guys that it was G Studios India that provided me that opportunity. So throughout your entire college days, especially when you're in the first year, you always think that the skills that you have are not enough for you to be employed somewhere officially, and there might be cases when you do employed in an internship, but the work ethics and the environment is not so much conducive for your growth. And I'm so grateful that I was part of an organization and a company that promoted overall development of a particular individual by providing so many wonderful opportunities and overall work environment. And I'm so glad that the internship that I completed officially was from G Studios India. And I'll tell you guys that it has been one of the most amazing experiences that I have had, because as an intern, I would have never thought that I can work somewhere where I'm actually my efforts matter, and it provided me opportunities where I could learn, I can grow, and I can explore things that I've never done before in my life. And I feel that that has made me much more a learned person as compared to what I was before. And most importantly, I want to thank Gaurav sir for always looking out for his interns, giving them opportunities, and more importantly, encourage the work. He makes you feel like whatever you have contributed is a part of a very important puzzle for a whole picture to be completed. And one of the most another wonderful thing is that we always have a Saturday meetings where we do play games, and I think Scribble is something I've never played before, but I love the game only after playing it in the Saturday meetings. And I'm so grateful that sir accepted me to work in this internship, and I hope that you will also enjoy this internship throughout your period. And all you have to do is be sincere, be nice, be respectful, and enjoy it, because I all this internship provides for you is opportunities and flexibility, and it's something I feel many places lack. So that's all. Thank you.
Hi everyone, Kritika this side. Welcome to G Studios. So all I want to say is being a part of G Studios is really a great experience for me. When I first joined G Studios, I was really confused like whether I should join or like back out. But trust me, this was one of the best decision of my life. Like I would never regret this decision. Um, the people here in GS Studios, like everyone is so friendly. You got to learn a lot here. You will got to explore new skills, and all I want to say is just keep trying, keep pushing your limits, and here everyone will support you in refining your skills. Like no one will ever say anything to you, stop you. Basically, you will learn a lot and lot, and at the end you will get a very positive result with yourself. You will be happy. The environment here is very good, and they all are really nice. So all I want to say is all the very best to all the new interns, and have a great journey with GS Studios. Thank you.
So I joined the content writer intern. But one thing that I can confidently say about this internship is that you learn so much more than just your defined role. So I got the chance to be involved in projects at literally every stage, and I got to explore different kinds of work beyond just my writing. This internship has been an incredibly learning opportunity for me. And the team at G Studios is honestly a 10 on 10. Like, I could not have asked for a more fun, flexible, welcoming, and understanding group of people. Everyone here is so open to new ideas, and it feels like my voice actually mattered here. What I really appreciate is that they gave me the space to make mistakes, but at the same time, they also guided me at every step to help me understand how I could improve and do better at what I'm doing. So it just never felt discouraging. It just felt very growth oriented. Like they helped me grow in every aspect. So, if I had to give you one advice, it would just be that you should join this internship with a very open mind and be ready to learn so many more skills. So, you will definitely come out of this much more confident and capable than when you first started.
Hi, new interns. So, I hope this will help you in your future. I'm Tabla. I was the content creation and social media intern at G Studios, and it was the best experience I could ask for. I never thought I would find an internship like this. When I did, I didn't expect कि वो इतनी अच्छी होगी. So I really loved creating videos, and I was searching for an internship जो इसमें हो, and then I got this, and the process was like it was a three-step process, and I was at every step I was like, oh my god, but I got selected, and wow, I got to meet so many good people. I like in offline too. It was a remote internship, but I got to people offline too, and they were so sweet. I just loved it. And my favorite part there was they never like वो रोकेंगे नहीं तुम्हें किसी चीज के लिए. They will always support you, and even if you do any mistake, वो आपको डांटेंगे नहीं. Like अगर कुछ बड़ा कर दोगे तो obviously, but if अगर ऐसे छोटा मोटा you're just panicking, तो they will just calm you down और वो तुम्हें बहुत अच्छे से समझाएंगे. They literally gave me एक दो हफ्ता to just learn Premiere Pro, and I was like, I'm getting paid for learning. So it was hell of an experience. It was full of tears, happiness, moments, and I really loved it. And the tip I need to give you is that just be consistent with your work. Even if you're facing any problem, just tell them. और वो आपको कुछ नहीं करेंगे. They will understand it. They will try to help you solve it and everything like that. और ऐसे डरना मत. Just be yourself and do everything they say on time. That's the tip I want to give you. I hope you have such a great experience like I did. Thank you.